Welcome class 8 in your online session of IT, Information Technology. Dear students, today we are going to design an application in Visual Basic which is given in your activity zone, that is question number D. Okay. So first of all we will read the question. The question is saying that we have to design an application for like this one. D question: write a Visual Basic program that displays two buttons, show message and hide message. Clicking on show message button displays a label with the following properties. Whenever you click on the show message, then it will display a label which is having the text as welcome everybody, and its foreground color should be red and background color should be yellow. Is it okay? Now the second part of the same question, clicking on hide message button. When you click on the hide message, the label will hide. Okay. So how we will do it, we will see now. First of all, I will show how will you write it on in your notebook. So this is the solution in front of you. As we all know, the first step will be design the interface as given. Means as the interface is saying, you have to include two of the buttons and one of the label. So first step is design the interface as given. Then second, after inserting the two buttons and one label, then you will start changing its properties. Means second step will be change the properties of the control as given below. How? Label 1 is having text nothing, empty, and we are changing its font as Arial black, and enable will be false and visibility will be false. Button 1, as you have inserted two of the buttons, button 1 and button 2. So you will change the property for button 1. The property of button 1, the first property is text. So you will change the text property, and as you change the text property, the text will be show message over there. We are showing it with Arial black, enable is true and visibility is of course true. Then for the second button, you will change the text property as hide message. Font will be same Arial black, enable property true and visible property. As question is saying, when you click show message, then this particular label will show welcome everybody, and it should be in red color, text color should be red and the background color should be yellow. So how can you change? Double click on button 1. Button 1 means show message. Show message means you can put over here like in the parenthesis which one? Button 1, which is having the name as show message, this, and write the code in the code window. As you click on button 1 means show message button, code window, double click, when you double click on it, a code window will open and you will write the same thing in the code. Means you are changing label 1, visible property become true now, means it will be visible. By default you have set as false. Clear? Then for the label 1, you will change the text property. As by default text property is empty, nothing is there. So you will display now welcome everybody. After that you will change this foreground color, means the text color. So how can you change? Label 1 dot fore color is the property name and this is the color dot red. And background color, as the question is saying background color should be yellow, then the label 1 back color and it should be yellow. You have changed the properties, and after that the question is saying clicking on hide message button hides the label. Means as you click on the hide button, it will hide the label. Then what do you do? What will you do? You will simply double click on button 2 and write the code in the code window. What is that? Label 1 dot visible equals to false. Means you will change the visible property to the false again. and then after, in the fifth step, you will press F5 function key to run the application. So this is all for the question number D. You will write in your notebook, and the same thing we are going to do in the VB also. So I am going to show how we can write it. So this is the VB in front of you, and we will as the question, or you can say the solution is saying, first step, design the interface as given. So we are going to design. So in the interface there is one label which will be present over here, and two of the buttons. One of the button is present over here, another button is present just right to it. Okay. Then see, second step is saying change the properties of the control as given. So we will change the properties. So we are going label. Its text property will be, we are going to change the properties, and these are the controls, and we are going to change the property, and this was empty. I have put this empty. Okay, okay, it is empty over here. Then after, what we have to do, as in the question I have written, its font will be Arial black, enable equals to false, and visible equals to false. So we will change all these. Font we are changing for ourselves only. So we are changing the font property. This is Arial black. Okay. Then Arial narrow. Okay, black is not available here. Now next, enable property will be false, and the visible property will be false. Okay, I have changed all the properties. Then after we will change the property. As you can see in the solution, we can change the property of the button 1 like this one, and button 2 like this one. So we are going to change it. Button 1, double click on it, and change its properties. How we will change it? Button 1 properties will be, as it is given in the solution, the same property will be shown over there. So first of all, we will change the visible property. So label 1 dot visible equals to false. Then we will change label 1 dot text property will be welcome everybody. Then next is the next one is label 1 dot which property? Visible. Visible equals to true. Okay. So we have changed how many properties over here? We have changed 2 of the properties. Clear? We have changed 2 of the properties. That 3 of the properties, visible and text property, and visible property, text property, and one more property we have to change. That is which one? A forecolor and back color. So we will change visible property, we have already changed. Then forecolor equals to, and which color? That should be red. Dark red. We are putting a dark red. Okay. And the back color. 1 dot back color will be equal to yellow. So we are putting light yellow over here. Okay, clear? Then it is done. Now we will change the properties for the second button, that is the one more thing. We will change its property as a text property. Text property will be show message. And its property will be as this is hide message. Okay, so these two properties are already changed. Double click, and now we will set it visible property as false. And here the visible property will be true. It is false and it will be true. Okay. Now we can see the program. The program is here, show message and hide message. Okay, clear students? So you can do the program in this way and you can practice it. This is the program for question number D. This is the program for question number D, which is given in your project zone. Project zone D question we have done. We have changed all these properties to show the things, and as they have given that okay, one more thing we have to change. Okay, visible property we have already changed, so this is the program, and you have to write this program in your fair notebook. Clear? So we have done the question D, and we have already done C and B, and A is already done. Okay? So now you will note down this particular question, and this solution is present in front of you. You will note it into your fair notebook, and after that we will do the lab zone. We will do the lab zone, and after that I will provide you the question answer of the same chapter, and you will do the question answer. You will also write the question answer in your fair notebook, and then this chapter will be over. After completing this chapter, we will take a practical assessment on your Google Sheet. Okay, so now practice it well, and okay, bye students.